I think I feel a little dizzy. I can't go any further. My wheels won't let me. It's getting windy up here.